Let's move on to our next segment. While thousands of professionals worry about visas, thousands others, they are now worrying about something else, keeping their own jobs. Because even the biggest technology companies, they are no longer immune to the uncertainty now. And we are talking about the biggest here. We are talking about Microsoft's latest layoffs that is sending a strong message. For decades, getting a job at Microsoft, that means stability, prestige, career growth, and financial security. It was like a proud moment. But today's technology industry, it is changing rapidly and changing faster than anybody ever expected. Ladies and gentlemen, according to reports, Microsoft is preparing another round of job cuts that could affect thousands of employees across sales, consulting, and gaming division. Although the expected reduction represents less than 2.5% of the company's global workforce, but they continue a broader reconstructing efforts as Microsoft increases spending on artificial intelligence and reorganizes parts of its businesses. Now, these particular layoffs, they are not happening because Microsoft is struggling to survive. The company remains one of the world's most valuable technology businesses. Well, instead, the focus is now changing. In fact, it's not Microsoft here. Companies are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. They are redesigning teams, automating work, and shifting resources towards future technologies. So that means some traditional roles are disappearing while entirely new roles, well, they are being created. In the meantime, technology experts, they say that this is one of the biggest transformations the industry has seen in decades. But yes, for the employees, that explanation offers little comfort here. Losing a job, that remains one of the life's biggest uncertainties. And for Indian professionals who are working in America on temporary visas, the pressure becomes even greater here because losing a job is not only about income for them. Well, it can also affect immigration status. Many visa holders have only a limited period just to secure another job before they face difficult decisions about staying in the United States or returning home. And that is why every layoff announcement inside Silicon Valley, that's closely watched across India. Thousands of families know that one corporate decision, it can completely change someone's life, someone's entire future rather. And Microsoft's latest reconstructing, it may be only one part of a much bigger trend that is spreading across the entire American technology sector. And yes, if you thought that Microsoft layoffs, they were an isolated case, think again. Across the United States, companies are becoming more and more cautious. They are slowing down the hiring, reviewing the budgets, cutting costs, and preparing for another round of workforce reduction here. Every week, new layoff announcements, well, they are making headlines, leaving thousands of professionals wondering whether their jobs will survive the next reconstructing or not. In fact, we get the comments that there's the same story again and again, layoffs story. Recent reports show that while job cuts in the United States fell sharply in June as compared to May, thousands of employees still lost their jobs. At the very same time, more American companies have already filed notices for the fresh layoffs in July. Experts here say that this reflects a labor market that is becoming more cautious rather than collapsing. Businesses are still profitable though, but many are preparing for economic uncertainty by reducing cost before problems become bigger here. And this creates a very different kind of fear. People are not only worried about finding a job here, they are worried about keeping the one that they already have. Well, for Indian professionals working in the US, the pressure is even greater because most H-1B visa holders cannot remain unemployed for very long. Losing a job is no longer just a financial challenge to them. It also becomes an immigration challenge. Many employees now, they say that they constantly upgrade their resumes, improve their skills, and they prepare for interviews even while working full-time because nobody knows which company may announce layoffs next. Well, the technology sector that once promised stability, it now demands constant adaptation. Here, experts believe that companies are entering a completely new phase where efficiency matters more than expansion. Businesses are becoming smaller, leaner, and increasingly dependent on automation. But yes, while artificial intelligence is replacing some jobs here, a surprising new trend is now emerging because many companies are quietly discovering that AI cannot do everything.